Jack the front loader. This is a dice cast metal Jack. Even you could lift his shovel up. How do you like him now? I have 2 blue Jacks. Dun, 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 dun. How about changing Jack's color? Pink, red, orange, now green. He's turning different colors around. Here comes a Hot Wheel named Power Rocket. This is a cool one. He's yellow and he has some silver. He has the rockets at the back. You're gonna see a rocket. Here's the rocket. Now we have the black one. He's so cool. He has the yellow windows. And here's the chubby guy. Here's a green Hot Wheel. He has yellow windows and he's my favorite too. This is a racing one because and when I got the whole pack of these cars, they were all racing cars. This looks like more racing, but the other one looks more racing too. The last one is Lightning McQueen with the 3D eyes. Here's Lightning McQueen in space. Now he's in an island. Lightning McQueen is now flying in there. Ready for takeoff. Now you can see the cloud and the ground. Wee-hee. This is made in different version and they're named in Tormentor. It's a monster truck. It has a golden towing device. There's a shiny surprise egg. Let's open it.
Here comes Henry, Thomas and Friends, and here you can see what other characters come in the series. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you again.